if you have f of a plus b, all of this is becoming x. So if it's f of x is equal to x, instead of x, I've put a parenthesis if it helps, and I'm substituting that every time I see an x. So it's just a plus b. But if you get it and you just want to write that, that's all it is. That's it, right? You can substitute anything. You just clean it up. Okay, g of a. So g of a, I'm going to substitute. And so I rewrite the equation, or the function, but instead of x, I put a space holder, and now I'm going to go ahead and substitute whatever it is it's asking me to substitute. And so that's a, and then you would get 5a minus 12. And obviously you can be as efficient as you'd like, as long as you're showing your work, because, you know, mistakes are common, little errors with negatives, so just, you know, the more you write, the better it is. So on a quiz or a test, so if you get docked, it's a minor one, versus if you didn't show very much work at all, and then I don't assume anything. Okay, and now here we're gonna FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. You know how we expand it. All right, so and you know, don't worry, I'll do the box method over here to let you guys get comfortable with it. So rewrite it, space holder squared plus 4 space holder minus 7, and now I'm going to substitute that a plus b, right, wherever there's an x. So a plus b, a plus b. Okay, so over here, just in case you guys like the box method. Yeah, and so you guys remember the cells are row times column, right? So this is a squared, AB is plus AB plus AB, BB plus B squared. And if you remember, the diagonals were like terms. Yeah? If you want to do this, you can. If you don't want the box method and you're fine with, and I'll do that as well, do that to the side, the little arrows. You just find your method that you prefer, okay? One's not better than the other, you get equal credit. Okay, so if I use the box method, I would get a squared plus ab is 2ab plus b squared. But if you were, nope, that's not the way my teacher taught me, I would kind of use the arrows. So I use the arrows, it's called FOIL. Whatever, first, outer, inner, last. So if you're like a times a is a squared, a times b is a b, b times a is a b, and b times b is b squared. These are like terms, so you end up with a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. You get the exact same expansion, you just have to figure out what you like. And you're not obligated to write both. You guys will get used to me that if we're going to do something with math where we're lecturing, and I'll let you guys know, well, let me show you the two ways. You could always pause and wait and just kind of see like, oh, which one am I going to write? If you want to write both, you can. And that's why when you guys are partner quizzing, you know, if someone wants to do the box and you want the FOIL method, it doesn't matter. You still should get the same answer. Okay. Keep going then? Yeah? Okay. Okay, so look. I have to write this trinomial expansion. That just took the place here. That didn't do anything here. So if I expand this out, it's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And now I have to distribute. So 4 times a is 4a, 4 times b is 4b, and then -7 I just bring down. And so now we're just going to clean everything up. Keep going? Yeah? Okay. I have a squared. That's it. So I have a squared. I have ab. That's it. I have a, I guess I'll do 3, 2, this will be 1, 4a, and then I guess, yeah, you have nothing. I guess you could just keep it. I guess you could have just kept your answer that way then. I wrote this in standard form. We'll go over that, but because I know you guys know what standard form is, but again, it's been summertime. If you guys remember, you always go to alphabetical, so A comes before B. So you're gonna write the A variable first, and you descend, right? You go down, so it's 2, 1, 0, and then B starts rising, B squared, right? B whatever. Whatever, it's fine. I'll let you guys know when eventually you're going to start getting docked if you don't write it in standard form. Obviously, we have to practice it for me to now say, hey, if you guys don't do this, I'm going to like dock you a point or whatever, depending what you're doing. Obviously not on homework, quizzes, or tests. Fair? Yeah? Okay, so I'll stop the video. You guys could work on the other ones. And I'm thinking maybe I'll have your packets by maybe Tuesday? Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah, they haven't delivered them yet.